Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Tusk Removable Polycarb Half Windshield on our Polaris RZR Pro R4. Now when it comes to windshields, there's several options out there. Some people like a full windshield or folding windshield. Now the reason people like the half windshield is it deflects some of the wind, it helps prevent dust from swirling inside the cab, but it still allows for some airflow into the cab to help keep you cool. So with that being said, it's a simple install process, and this is going to work for the Pro Rs, the Turbo Rs, and the Pro XPs. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out, we have a blanket on our table, that way we don't scratch the half windshield. Now we need to remove the protective film, and as soon as I get this corner up, I'm going to put some rubber gloves on, and that way I don't get smudges all over this half windshield. Then I'll flip it over, remove the back side. Now the next step is to install the bulb seal. So with this, the hook at the top of the windshield, this is going to be facing the outside of the machine. So the seal itself you want facing in towards the cab. And as you install the bulb seal, if it fits loose at any point, you can simply squeeze this together. It's going to give you a tighter fit. So we're just going to start on one end and push this all the way onto the other side. Now a quick little tip for you guys, if you have a soft face mallet or dead blow hammer, you can use that to tap the seal on, and it can be a little bit easier than just pressing it on. So you can see ours ended in a good spot, but if yours is a little long, you can use some side cutters or heavy duty scissors to trim the extra off. The next step is to install the two pieces of foam tape. So again, this is going to be on the inside of the windshield, and we're going right next to the slot on the outside. This is just going to help dampen any vibrations. And now we can bring it over to the machine. Now we're going to set the windshield in place, and again, this hook at the top, that's going to be facing the outside of the machine. Bulb seal is going inside. You're going to position this where it fits best, and then you're going to take the hook and loop strap. Going to open that up. We're going to go around the roll cage. Take the strap, go through the little cutout in the window or windshield, and then we're just going around the bar on this clamp. So I'm going to leave that really loose. That's going to let me push this into the windshield. I'm going to adjust this, but I'm leaving it slightly loose so we can make adjustments for the other side. We'll do that same thing, and once we get everything where we want it, you can go ahead and tighten these hook and loop straps down. That's all it takes to install the Tusk Removable Polycarb Half Windshield on your Polaris RZR Pro R, the Pro XP, or the Turbo R. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments, and if you need to pick one of these up, you can find them on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that, and if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.